Officer Dave, would you open the courtroom for us, please?
The state of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge David S. Robinson Jr. presiding. The court is now in session. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Your Honor, your picture not showing.
Oh, okay, that's easy fix.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Now we got our TV working, we can get started.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Hilton is here first. And I think Mr. Yatuma. Hello?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What file do you have, Mr. Yatuma?
I have Apex Physical Therapy versus City of Detroit, case number 178156.
All right, let's get Mr. Hilton in here and get started.
Sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we are on the record calling 22-178-156 Apex Physical Therapy versus City of Detroit. Your appearances, gentlemen.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joe Yatuma, P80627 on behalf of the plaintiff.
Philip Hiltner, P77913 on behalf of defendant. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Okay, gentlemen. Do we have our, I had the plaintiff's 2.3028 disclosure. Mr. Hilton, have you made yours?
Yes, defendant has issued their initial disclosures.
All right, so where are we on this file, guys? This case has been kind of bounced around, dismissed, restarted, dismissed, restarted. What's going on here?
Your Honor, last time we were here, we did, we exchanged discovery. And as of right now, I sent an email yesterday to opposing counsel to try to hopefully enter into a settlement negotiations.
That's right, Your Honor. We have exchanged some discovery. I did take issue with some of their responses, but Mr. Yatuma has helped me out with at least some of that. And we've began settlement discussions, but we are frankly pretty far apart right now.
Mr. Yatuma, what is the amount of your claim?
Our amount of our claim is 22,500,
Yeah.
I believe.
Is there any ongoing treatment? What I'm concerned about is
No, sir.
You're bumping up against top of my subject matter jurisdiction.
No, Your Honor, there is no ongoing treatment.
All right.
Treatment concluded, I believe, in 2021, if I'm not mistaken, end of 2021.
Okay. All right, then I'll see you guys next on March the 14th at 10 o'clock. Is there anything else we can do today?
Will that be enough time for you, Philip, to get some authority, or?
I think so. I'm just making sure my calendar is open that day. It is. So that shouldn't be a problem. March 14th.
2023 at 10 o'clock. We'll try this again.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I do have a conflict that day. I have an in-person hearing in 20th District Court.
What time is your hearing?
My hearing is at 9 a.m.
You're not gonna make 10 o'clock here. All right, let's get you another date then. How about March 13th?
March 13th looks fine to me.
Same, my calendar is open on the 13th, Your Honor.
All right, March 13th.
10 a.m.
At 10 a.m.
Sounds good.
Now, let's make sure that next time we're together, that this case belongs with me. That we have no question about exceeding my subject matter jurisdiction. I had a case yesterday where we had been talking in the $14,000 range. Then we have a pretrial and now we're up to $33,000.
No, you're not. I'm pretty sure our treatment ended in November of 2021, so we should be good.
Let's verify that.
Will do.
As again, March 13th at 10 o'clock. Anything else we can do?
Nothing from defendant, Your Honor.
All right, gentlemen, we'll send
Thank
you
you.
out of order. We'll see you March 13th at 10 o'clock. Thank you for coming.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
We're off the record. I'll let you guys go. See you tomorrow. Okay. Next thing. Saw tall, didn't I? Yeah. Tall. Mr. Khan,
Yes, Your Honor.
get Mr. Taub in here. Let's get started. This is file number 22-197-210. EJH Construction, Inc. versus Tony, Herring. Could I have your appearances, please?
Jacob Kahn, P85-936 on behalf of plaintiff.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Taub on behalf of the defendant counter plaintiff P48703.
All right, guys, how's our discovery coming?
We're still in the process of completing discovery. I think we probably need another 28 days to complete discovery.
All right, let's do this. Let's continue your written discovery. Let's see you again on March the 14th. 10 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
Let me just check that. It
You
sounds good. Your Honor, I have a motion at 9 a.m. by Zoom.
Yeah,
I
you'll
could
be okay,
probably, I'm sure I'll be fine.
Yeah, it's as long as it's, I just got off with a guy who had an in-person hearing. Obviously, that's not gonna happen.
What?
Yeah, he had in person, he said in the 20th district. I said, wow, that's interesting. So we'll see you guys March 14th at 10 o'clock. We'll continue your written discovery.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor.
Anything else we can accomplish today?
Probably not. We just, it's dragged a little bit because we amended our complaint
Right.
and they just got their answers. So I think that there's some basic documents we need to exchange, and then we might be in a better position to get it settled.
Okay, what
I'm still optimistic about a settlement.
Yeah. I used to go out with you in high school. You optimistic then too. Mr. Taub is old enough to understand the reference. You're not, Mr. Khan. We'll see you guys again, March 14th at 10 o'clock. We'll continue your written discovery. Thanks, guys, for coming in.
Happy Valentine's
Your Honor.
Day.
Happy Valentine's. Let's be safe out here.
Yeah.
We're off the record.
Thanks.
All right, March 14th. Hello? Hello?
Good morning, Your Honor.
What is your name, sir?
My name is Ramnavin Petty Babu.
All right, let's get Mr. Roosevelt in here and see if we can't get started.
Hello, Judge.
Good morning. We are on the record. This is file 22-197-944. PYOD LLC versus Ramarin Petabubo. Your gentlemen, your appearances, please.
Judge, may I please court? My name is Attorney Richard Drusen. I'm the attorney of record for the plaintiff, and my bar number 35222.
And your name, sir?
My name is Ramnarine Petty Babu.
Okay, this is our second pretrial. Court opened written discovery the last time we were together. How's our written discovery coming?
Well, Judge, I can tell you that brother counsel and I have entered into a stipulated order for dismissal with payments. I received defendants, I received brother counsel's signature on the proposed order. I countersigned it.
Wait. There's no brother counsel here.
Oh, let me say this. I received defendant's signature on my stipulation for dismissal with installment payments. I hand filed them yesterday about noon or 1 o'clock, actually about 1 o'clock, with the clerk's office. So I reasonably believe the judge is on his way up to your chambers since I just filed it yesterday afternoon.
All right, then gentlemen, we don't have anything else to talk about. Your case has been resolved. I will look forward then, Mr. Rubin, to the closing documents that are apparently somewhere in my building.
Thank you so much, Judge.
Thank you. You guys will be safe out here.
Right,
Thanks
bye-bye.
for coming in. Have
All
a
right.
great day and happy Valentine's Day to you both.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Hello? Hello?
Yes,
What is your name?
letter banks.
All right, hang on. All right, we are on the record calling. You have video, Ms. Banks?
Yes,
Turn it on, please. We are on the record calling file number 22-00159, Aspen Creek Apartments versus Letter Banks. Date and time for what appears to be our first pretrial, your respective appearances.
Good morning, Judge Christopher Asphalt, 53129 for the plaintiff.
And what is your name, ma'am?
letter banks.
Ms. Banks, is it your intention to represent yourself in this matter?
Yes,
You have an absolute constitutional right to do that. What you do not have is the right to your own set of rules of civil procedure, your own rules of evidence, and your own statutes. If you elect to represent yourself, as is your constitutional right, the same rules that bind counsel will be binding on you. Do you understand that?
yes,
You will not be heard to say you did not know or understand the rules. Do you understand that?
yes.
All right. All right, folks, what are we disputing about here? This is our first pretrial.
Your Honor, this is an action for money damages stemming from a lease of real property.
Okay, and your claim is for what?
Currently the balance due and owing is $5,562.
And Ms. Banks, what's your position in this regard?
I don't dispute that money is owed. I was just waiting for a ledger of what I was being billed for, and I never received that.
Okay. All right, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to open your written discovery. I'm going to give you a return date with me. It'll be Zoom like today. That'll be March 14th at 10 o'clock. That date and time work for everybody?
Yes,
All right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send out that order today. And in the meantime, I'm going to put you two into a chat room where you can discuss the matter. If you are not able to resolve the matter, which is what I expect you will not be able to do, you're free to leave once you've had your conversation. We'll see you again March 14th. March 14th at 10 o'clock. Your written discovery is now open. Is there anything else we can accomplish today?
No.
No,
For you, okay, let me get you guys in the chat room so you can at least get your conversation started.
Thank you, Judge.
thank you.
All right, y'all be safe.
You too.
Room 4. This is gonna be room 4. Who's there? Okay. March 14th. Ma'am, you all set?
Yes, I'm all set.
Okay, March 14th at 10 o'clock, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day. Be safe and happy
You too.
Valentine's Day to you.
The same to you. Thank you.
All right, let's see, turn on the music. Music is on.
by Leo Sierra Chad, in the sixties, and Yetta. Our second appearance, we have to go home today, and this first down, and Davies, and January 5th. The Orchestra Suites by George Philip Thomas, that's There are too many composers that pen as many works as George Philip Cohen. I believe it's about 3,000 compositions in all. Composer with the many orchestral suites. And this was supported WSJ. Around 50 Fahrenheit today, 10 Celsius, maybe even 1 Wednesday. 60 Fahrenheit. 90.9 WSJ.
Hello? Mr. Munson
Good morning.
and Mr.
Morning, Your Honor.
Burwell. Good morning, gentlemen. This is file number 22-197-983. Becca Management Incorporated versus Ronald Walker, Kawhi Walker. Could I have your appearances?
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Burwell on behalf of Becca Management,
Bar number?
32979.
Good morning, Your Honor. Grant Munson, P71994 for the defendants.
Okay. This is a rental collection following eviction action. And this is our first pretrial. The court opened your written discovery on January 23rd. Mr. Burwell, what's your case about?
Well, Judge, a couple of things. The plaintiff, of course, has recovered possession at this point, and we're
Right.
suing for money that is comprised of unpaid rent of about $6,000 plus, damages to the property of about $9,500, and some unpaid utilities.
Okay, so you're well under my jurisdictional limit.
Right.
So have we done anything on our written discovery, or is it too early to have gotten anything done?
We have not done anything on
Okay.
written discovery.
No big deal. We'll see you guys and get you another day, get you out of here. March 14th at 11 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
Works for me.
I think so. Let me just double check real quick. And that will be judged for a pretrial again, or?
Yes. Just so you know, Mr. Burwell, I manage my docket by rolling pretrials. As long as you are making progress, I'll let you continue your discovery. If you stop working, or if we stop working together, then I'll cut it off and we'll move forward from there.
All right, very good.
But I figure you guys know what you're doing more better than I do. I don't need to tell you what to do. You're experienced lawyers. So we'll see you on the 14th, March 14th, 11 o'clock. Your written discovery, gentlemen, remains open. Anything else we accomplished today?
Nothing for me.
Mr. Burwell?
Nothing for me.
All right, gentlemen, we'll see you then. Happy Valentine's Day to you both.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you
You
very
too.
much.
Y'all be safe.
Morning, Judge.
Mr. Stancato?
I see Miss Morris here. I just received an email from,
Hold on, I don't know why you're here. Let me get Ms. Moore in here. We can
Okay.
see if we can figure out what's going on. Turn your video on, Mr. Stancato. Now, Ms. Moore doesn't seem to be joining us. What's happening here? Here we go. Hello?
Yes, good morning.
Yeah, turn on your video.
Oh, here we go. Start the video. To stop video. Oh, there it is.
All right, first of all, enlighten me. What brings you here today?
Your Honor, this is the adjourned date on a initial pretrial conference on a civil action that Joyce Moore brought against 3 defendants.
What's the case number? Because it's not on my docket.
Yeah, I'm trying to bring that up now. Ms. Moore, do you have that handy? I'm still trying.
Case number, Chair. 221
221
96
96
92
92
7.
221 90. All right, hold on for just a second, please.
Sure.
Okay, again, I am confused on this. Ms. Moore, she's blinking out here.
It's a new one.
I don't know what's going on. Can you hear me?
Oh, you're blinking in and out here.
That's okay, I guess.
Okay, well, let me tell you, the reason the case is not on my docket is that I signed an order dismissing this matter with prejudice. Ms. Moore submitted a request to dismiss the matter with prejudice, and I did so. That's why the case is not on my docket today.
Fantastic, thank you.
So you should get that. I think I mailed it out yesterday or the day before.
Okay.
Judge, if I may address one detail, Comerica Bank has a counterclaim, and we did not anticipate that the motion would be in front of you this soon. I would request that the dismissal with regard to Comerica's counterclaim be without prejudice. It's
Well, Mr. Stancato, what you should do is to file a motion in regard to your counterclaim.
okay.
Because I recall what I did was I dismissed Ms. Moore, the case in chief with prejudice. I don't recall taking any action on the counterclaim.
Okay, so the counterclaim.
That's why it's, yeah, so what you should do is you should go ahead and file a motion for a pretrial on your counterclaim.
Okay, in trying to find the most efficient way for everyone, do you think the court staff will accept a dismissal without prejudice if I just send it in, or can I send it to your?
The dismissal has already been entered.
Right.
With regard to my counterclaim, I mean.
No, that's what are you dismissing your counterclaim?
Yes, I have authority to dismiss it without prejudice.
then send in a dismissal without prejudice in regard to your counterclaim.
Okay, and we mail that directly to your chambers?
That'd be great.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.
Valentine's Day.
Same to you. Be safe. Be safe.
Everybody be safe. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
That concludes the morning call.